Can you feel it all over the world? We come together in these places, and we dance and we live and we learn. I can hear a new vibration. Can you feel it all over the world?
So we have just arrived at Ceri Forest, round 2, the British Cross Country Championship. Look at the view, absolutely amazing. We got the weather with us. We've done some improvements on the car. We found some issues with the brakes, and obviously rebuilt the gearbox. So let's see what happens. Scrutineering today, and we'll set up in a minute.
Say it one more time. Say it one more time. One more time. One more time. Can you feel it all over the world? We come together in this place. Can you feel it all over the world? We come together in these places, and we dance and we live and we learn. Find your space in the darkest night. Say it one more time. Find somebody who can come alive.
So I just come back off the first lap, out of breath, as you can tell, as normal. Done a respectable time. I think done a 5:36. So yeah, really happy with that. We weren't pushing. Obviously someone had a big accident on the first lap, so just taking it a bit cautious, and hopefully go out lap 2 and be a bit quicker. That's the aim all weekend. back up. So, just walked for the door. Bit of an insight of the weekend. First day, we weren't on it. We were alright, but I felt I wasn't driving properly. And then second day, kind of gave myself a bit of a beating and started driving the car properly, and then managed to get down 15 seconds straight away after the second lap. But yeah, we managed to get third overall in the championship for the points. Like I said, we had a good battle with Ben, and he took the first place trophy, which was really good. Car was pretty much faultless. We had a couple of fuel temperature problems, but we managed to solve that just with the heat shield, so that was great. Bit of a learning curve, obviously. We did have teething problems with the engine, but that's all sorted now. So this was our first proper race to actually get driving back and get confidence back in the car. And tyres absolutely faultless all weekend. So thank you very much for BF Goodrich and 4x4 tyres for those. Absolutely spot on. And yeah, like I said, we brought the third place trophy home, and hopefully many more.
Fundamentally then, the question arises, where is there? Where's your rush? Where are you going? To what are you progressing? Stop, look and listen. Because you may be there already, only that you don't notice it.